Okay, so there are two ways of doing this: defensive purposes and offensive. So for defensive, we need to put some sandbags or concrete walls. Also, put ammo truck beside your vehicle. Okay, so you don't run out of bullets. Okay, let's do a little demonstration here. I'm gonna try and shoot something. Okay, so there's one there. It's a white building. All right. So check the upper right hand corner, the ammo. See, as you can see there, it stays at 200. The ammo. So that's because of the ammo truck. All right. So that's a hack I discovered. Otherwise, you run out of bullets very quickly. Shoot this tree. I think that white building is a place of worship.
I need ammo.
Also, you can use this vehicle ammo crate that I captured from the enemy's vehicle refit station. They do run out very quickly, the crate, compared to the ammo truck, which is unlimited. All right. Here's another demo using a tank round. I'm gonna try and fire armor piercing round, or HE, high explosive round. So you can see there's 12 there at the moment on the upper right hand corner. It signifies the number of ammo of the tank. Okay, let me find a target, maybe the tree over there. Okay, zoom in, fire, boom. See, it remains at 12. So the orange bar is for reloading, so it's fully reloaded now. Let's find another target. Boom. There you go. So you get the idea, right? Okay. So it's that simple. You cover your armored vehicle with sandbags like this one at the front, that is the most sensitive part of the tank, because basically that's the surface area that is more visible to the enemies. That's why I put the sandbags at the front. Okay. And also sandbag at the sides to protect the sides. Okay, same format on all the other armored vehicles. I cover them with sandbags and ammo truck beside it. Okay, so moving forward, we go to the HQ and we wear this helmet, this type of helmet, the one with 3 eyes. Okay. And this is the only helmet that has a thermal vision. Or you can use this goggle, night vision goggle, this type of night vision goggle. Okay. So I'll just show you what I'm talking about here. So there, that's from the VA arsenal, right? So there. Okay. I'm wearing a hat. So that. Yeah, so we're after that, the black and white thing. Okay, we're gonna use that one for offensive purposes this time. Okay, when you want to use your armored vehicle for advancing or attacking the enemy. Okay, let me organize this first. I'll try to use the helmet. I see no point of using the goggle if you already have it built in on the helmet. Yeah, so this is the helmet we're using. It's got that thermal vision. There. All right. So now time to look for a tank. Okay. Oh, hang on. We need something on our backpack too. We need a toolkit and a medikit. So the purpose of that is you need the toolkit to repair the tank when it gets damaged. And the medikit, obviously, if you get injured or some of your crewmates get injured, you may want to patch them up instead of bringing all those yellow first aid kits that run out very quick. All right. Okay, so here, we're ready. We basically don't need any more side arm or a rifle here because I see no point, you're inside the tank. So there you have it. That's the backpack. Let me chuck this smoke grenade out. We don't need that one. So you only need a medikit and a toolkit in your backpack. Alright. Next up is we need 2 AI crew members. 2 AI crew members. So we have here 2. I got 2 of them ready already. What are they doing? They're on a crouch position. Okay. So I just need 2, a gunner and a commander. Okay. So this is how I do it. I jump on the driver's side, all right, of the tank or the armored vehicle. Then I get the other 2 as a gunner and the commander to man the machine gun on top of the tank. Okay, and this is the view that you would like to use, the third-person view. Never try to use the this one inside the tank because it's claustrophobic and it's got limited field of view. So you can see here, you struggle looking at the outside world. There, see, it looks cool though, but in reality, makes you blind. You know, you got very limited 360 view, like this one. You know, the third person view. Okay, time to attack. There, so I switched to thermal vision. It's easier to identify moving objects. Also on the map here, I'm gonna put the cursor there. So that's the heading for my initial attack. So there. So this is the reason why I want you to wear that thermal vision. So you can pick out targets easily on the horizon. Unlike with this one, with the ordinary camera. You see? You understand where I'm coming from? It's very hard to pick out enemies there because the tanks against these backdrops very difficult to identify which is which, because they're camouflage. They're wearing camouflage. Like if you're wearing this thermal, you get to pick them out very easy. So from the horizon, you can tell already there's an enemy vehicle. There's, 2 dots over there. So yeah, that's the trick, guys. Getting close. So from here, I'll just switch to the gunner, from driver to gunner, and I'll just pick them off from here using the distance. There it is. By the way, don't expect the AI to do the mowing for you, especially for the big gun. Yeah. For some reason, the AI likes to prioritize infantry over vehicles, so just dumb. I go for the vehicles first because they are the threat to the tank. Yeah. Okay, so I got 2 enemy vehicles. As you can see, they're on fire. Okay, so we move forward. Although I think these 2 vehicles are disabled. Yeah, for the purpose of this training. Yeah. By the way, this is not training, so this is a campaign on the DUWS. Alright, we're gonna try and look for more enemies. Yeah, here's the thing with thermal too, it's very hard to drive. So the thermal is only good for identifying targets. There's another black dot on the horizon. Most likely that's another armored vehicle, so I'm gonna point the gun up there. Yep, I'm correct. Looks like an enemy tank. Boom. Okay, got him first. And it doesn't know where I'm at. Oh, got him again. Also the infantry, they don't know where the heck I am. So they're confused. They don't know who's firing. The element of surprise. See? Rule number 1. Okay. So always remember, use your advantage, the distance, the range of the tank. Always fire from far away. Engage the enemy from great lengths. Alright. I see another dot there showing up. And I believe that is another vehicle. Let's have a look. So as you can see, I keep switching from driver to gunner because the AI is only picking up infantry. See? Okay, let's switch here. Alright. Let's move forward. Okay. Oh, we're getting closer to the enemy's base. So as you can see on the small map on the right hand side corner, I'm inside the red zone now. Alright, so this is the engagement area. Engagement zone. It's a danger zone. Oh, there's another enemy vehicle there. Take it out. Boom. There we go. So that one's dead. There's another one. Alright. Fire away. Oh, I got a couple infantry there too. So once you've taken out all the vehicles, you can start mowing down the infantry, the soldiers, with your machine gun. Yeah. So far the only guy doing the targeting the infantry is the commander in here with my 30mm. Okay, see there. That's what the AI is doing. So I'm gonna switch to 7.6 machine gun on the main turret, the main gun, and I will let the AI here it is. I'll let the AI do the killing. So I'll just focus on driving the tank. Yeah, I have the AI by oops. Okay, so there's a anti-tank coming. Boom! So I deployed the smoke to prevent it from getting hit, but as you can see, one missile got through. So here's the medikit being useful now. I'm using the medikit to patch myself up. Looks like the tank is not damaged from that single hit. Alright, so we got lucky. I think the smoke managed to deflect the first missile. Okay. Gee, we're very close now. Anyway, as you can tell, I've caused a lot of damage already here. I've managed to pick a lot of the enemy infantry, to take them out of the battlefield. There it is. So yeah, so far so good. We're doing well here. We just maintain this pace, and yeah, the small infantry's over there. Yeah, it would be good if you have another tank beside you to help you clean up the enemy stations here. But if you have to do it alone, oh, this is it. You just have to move slowly, inch by inch, yes? Because the soldiers, they spawn from everywhere. Okay, that's it. Bye-bye.